You get the file number, you get it served, and now you prepare for the first appearance, which will be called return of service to make sure that service is proper. And then probably you get about a 30-minute window most of the time. So you probably use that time to argue your most pressing issues or whatever you need.
Okay, and what is the deponent doing on that side of it?
Hopefully once they get served, hopefully getting an attorney. There are free attorneys for specific instances, not for everyone. The family court is a different monster in its own. But for example, for custody, you may get a free attorney if you are entitled to it on the 18B panel. If the threat of imprisonment is hanging over your head, you will get that.
Orders of protection, right?
Yeah.
Is there anything else?
Months. I believe, as far as I know, for custody, you may be entitled to one if you fall below the threshold line. For if imprisonment is a penalty, I haven't seen it for child support orders. I haven't seen it.
Okay. So then, is it like other civil cases? Do you have to file an answer or a response?
There is no answer in family court. You can file your own petition if you have justification for it, right? A lot of people throw it in just to have some bargaining power and leverage, but there is no answer. You show up and you just put in your position. There's no formal pleading process. You just show up. You are entitled to put in your own petition if you have grounds for it, but there's no answer.
Okay, so then sticking on procedural, they show up on the first day. There's this little baby 30-minute thing.
Yeah.
What happens after that?
After that, they give you another day. Often, most time, it depends, right? Every case is unique and has a life of its own. But mostly what happens is you get a conference date. It allows the parties to either obtain an attorney, see if they're eligible for one, discuss possible settlement. Most cases settle for a reason. So they give you a window to kind of do that between 2 to 3 months, depending on the court. You should probably discuss settlement, and then you come back for that conference day.
Okay, and then that conference day is just to confirm what you did or did not speak about?
Make sure that there's no violations of any orders. If it's a custody, make sure if the children are doing well. Sometimes an AFC is assigned, which is called an attorney for the child. So you may get a couple of conferences, and then the judge will look at you and say, let's get this ready for a trial, for a hearing, if there is no chance for resolution.
I have a question about the AFCs. Are they government agents or are they private?
They are, just as the 18B panel attorneys are assigned, they're assigned for the child.
Okay.
And have the child's interests at heart.
So I just want to clarify. So like 18Bs are private who contract with state agencies. It's the same. It's the same thing for the. Okay, cool.